How to fix Ubisoft Connect has detected an unrecoverable error in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this step-by-step guide how to fix this Ubisoft Connect error quickly so you can get back into your games without reinstalling everything or wasting hours troubleshooting random fixes online. This error usually appears when Ubisoft Connect runs into damaged or corrupted launcher files. The good news is that the official fix is actually very simple and only takes a few minutes to do. First, completely close Ubisoft Connect if it is still running in the background. After that, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the run command window on your PC. Inside the box, type %local app data % exactly as shown and press enter. This will open a folder containing local application data stored on your computer. Once the folder opens, look for a folder called Ubisoft Game Launcher. This folder stores temporary launcher data and settings connected to Ubisoft Connect. If some of these files become corrupted, the launcher may fail to start correctly and trigger the unrecoverable error message. Right-click the Ubisoft Game Launcher folder and delete it. Do not worry because Ubisoft Connect will automatically recreate fresh files the next time it launches. After deleting the folder, restart your computer to make sure all background launcher processes are fully cleared. If the problem still continues, double-check that Ubisoft Connect is updated to the latest version and make sure no antivirus program is blocking the launcher. But for most users, removing the Ubisoft Game Launcher folder fixes the issue almost immediately.